Hi, in this video, I want to explain quadratic expression. What is quadratic expression? Quadratic expression actually is a polynomial expression with the degree uh, of polynomial expression is 2. That means second degree polynomial expression also can be defined for this term. Quadratic expression. This is defined like this, but it will be separated into groups. One will be quadratic equation. The other one will be quadratic function. The quadratic equation is an equation can be written in this form: a times x squared plus b times x plus c equal to 0. Quadratic function: a times x squared b times x plus c will be f of x. So what is the difference between quadratic equation and quadratic function is actually the right side of the equation. In the left term, you can see quadratic equation is equal to 0. In the right one, we have f of x. So that means the quadratic function is graphical representation of quadratic equation. It's also known as parabola. When we draw this quadratic function in xy coordinate plane, we have three possibilities according to value of a, or according to value of a and according to value of delta. What is delta? Delta is b square minus or ac, where a, b, c are the coefficient of quadratic equation is given here. So let's go back to our graph. When delta is bigger than 0 and a is bigger than 0, the shape must be concave up and also intersect the x-axis at 2 points. This intersection point is defined as the solution set of quadratic equation, where x sub 1 and x sub 2 is found by this formula: minus b plus minus square root delta over 2a. So when delta equal to 0, in this case, the quadratic function must be tangent to the x-axis, where delta is 0, a is bigger than 0, concave up. Because delta is 0, it has to be tangent at that points on x-axis. When delta is less than 0, by the time a is positive again, in this case, the quadratic function will not intersect x-axis. So according to formula, when delta is 0, you can see x sub 1 and x sub 2 actually will be minus b over 2a. But when delta is 0, because there is no real value with square root inside negative numbers, so this quadratic function or quadratic equation will have no real roots. So when delta less than 0, have no real roots, we say. Or according to quadratic function, we say the function does not intersect x-axis. For the next video, I am planning to solve some question. So let's see you there.